Here's a very nice example of a Berns Air King 12-inch box fan. I think it was made in the 1960s. It's 2 speeds, powered by universal electric motor, and it was made in Chicago. Let me show you how it works. We'll start it on a high speed. Now we'll go low speed. Very strong and quiet, and 100% original. Even the cord is original, and it's still soft and supple. A great air mover. This is model P14-2. And while we're waiting for this to spin down, I'd like to remind you to please like me on Facebook, facebook.com/fansbyken. Thank you so much for watching.